A day in Hokkaido, starring Helena and Elise. Big Buddhas, birds and boiling hot springs. Let's go! After a fun time walking around the Easter Island statues, Elise found a rock with her initials engraved on it. Look at that, iconic. EP! Our next stop was maybe our favourite of the whole trip. It was called the Bird Watching Cafe. We saw lots of fun birds and the burgers there were unreal. Do you remember the boiling hot springs mentioned earlier? Well, here we are, Noboribetsu Jigokudani Valley, for a walkabout on what felt like another planet. A 2-hour drive back to Sapporo and we ended the day at Swage. We put our orders in and then passed the wait with a game of Yahtzee. Lassies all round, we tucked into our herby, slightly spicy soup curries, and that put an end to our day in Hokkaido. See ya!